Welcome everyone. I just decided to make a quick video about how to install Arduino Create onto Chrome. We're going to use the Chrome extension, not the Chrome OS app. The district wants us to use the extension, so I'm going to give this a try. Unfortunately, I don't have a Chromebook, so I'm going to try this on a PC and see how it goes. So let me try it now. So I'm just going to do the Arduino site. Create, and here's the site. It's made by the same people that make the Arduinos, actually, or design the Arduinos. And what we're trying to do is install the extension. And the question is, evidently there's two products here. There's one that is a Chrome application, and then there's one that's an extension or a plugin. Let's try this one to see what it does. Okay, so I'm going to make myself an account here. I guess I already have one. Maybe. So it looks like I don't have an account, so I'm going to go through the account creation process. Or you could sign in with Google. Let me try that, maybe. Yeah, so I'm going to just create an account. I'm not going to use Google. You're welcome to use your school Google account, but I'm going to try going through this route. All right, so I created my account. Now I'm in. Looks like I'm logged in. Here's a. Looks like I need to activate my account beforehand. So I'm going to go check my email and see what I have in there. All right, so you get an email, something like this one. It's welcoming me to my account, and it says activate account, but it says here, program your board using the Arduino Web Editor, or download the desktop version, or the Arduino IDE. We're going to try the Web Editor, is the one we're going to be doing. So once you verify your email, it takes you here, and it just tells you have your own account. And so I'm going to take a look around to look at the online tools. This is the online tools. And then what we're going to do is the web editor. Now, my expectation here is that you'll have to install an extension of some sort, but I haven't seen any install or anything yet. It says, welcome to the Arduino Web Editor. Let's quickly walk through some of the main features. Sure. Switch between apps on the Arduino Create homepage. That's over here. Your profile's over here. Here's where you verify and upload, kind of like in the regular Arduino software. And here are the boards that are supported. Now they call the program sketches, so this is how you create a new sketch. It's in the sketchbook menu. Other options, you can import sketches as well. There's also a serial monitor that allows you to watch the serial port. Here it says it's unavailable. Do I have a serial port on my machine? No, I don't think so. Although you probably can watch it. There's no one specific on the machine here. And then if you have an existing sketchbook, you can actually import it at this point. And there we are. Okay, so I'm going to try programming something here to see if I can get this to work. All right, so I'm pasting in the code from our motion alarm here in the text editor, and then board at COM3. Okay, so I'm selecting the port. And then the board, we want to use the Arduino Uno. If the SparkFun web board's in here, we could use that too, but I doubt it's listed. Yeah, there it is. That's a thing though. So let's look for the Uno. Uno, there it is. So we've selected that. You can hear my little program running in the background. I haven't run it yet using this though. I was using the old download. And then let me verify the code. Doing something down here. Yikes. Suppose it's good. So I'm going to try downloading it or uploading it to the Arduino. Looks like it's talking. And it's still working. You can hear it beeping. Yeah, so it looks like, at least on a PC, running it in Chrome, you can get it to work. Now, again, with a Chromebook, I don't know if you have to actually install the extension. My feeling is you have to do something more than I had to do on the PC. You have to install some kind of extension and get that to work. Again, don't install the Chrome OS version of this IDE. You want to use the one that uses the extension off of the Chrome browser on the Chromebook to get this to work if you're using your Chromebooks. All right, hopefully that was helpful.